Hi everyone, welcome back to Genomic Genesis. As I promised you earlier, today we'll be discussing the three domain system that basically comprises of archaea, bacteria and eukarya. And this is one of the important topic for class 11 CBSE biology. But before we dive into the three domain system, we need to understand what a domain is. Domain is nothing, but it helps in grouping life based on cell type and evolution. So, now let's dive into the three domain system. The three domain system was proposed by Carl Woese in the year 1990 and it classifies life based on genetic differences, that is, mainly rRNA analysis. The three domain system comprises of archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. The first domain is archaea. They are also known as extremophiles, or the organisms belonging to the archaea domain are extremophilic in nature. That is, they can survive in extreme conditions such as extreme hot, or extreme cold, or extreme salty, or extreme dry conditions. They are basically prokaryotic in nature, have a unique biochemistry. Examples of archaeodomain organisms are methanogens, thermococcus. The second domain is bacteria. The organisms are generally prokaryotic in nature, have no nucleus, and examples of bacterial domain is E. coli, streptococcus. The third domain is eukarya. The organisms are generally eukaryotic in nature, have nucleus. Examples humans, tulips, fungi, etc. Can you sort each of them and name the kingdoms as well as the domain to which they belong? Observe the pictures very carefully and classify one by one. Can we move to the next slide? So, the first classification, that is, the yeast, the mold, and the mushroom, belongs to the fungi kingdom. That is, they are neither a plant nor an animal. They get food from organic matter. They release spores and they belong to the Eukarya domain. The second classification is of elephant, bird, and frog. They belong to the Animalia kingdom. They are basically animals. They have backbones. They have the ability to move, and they also belong to the Eukarya domain. The third one is the Plantae kingdom. It comprises of conifers, moss, tulips classification, right? They are generally plants. They produce their own food. They stay in one place, and they also belong to the Eukarya domain. Can you answer the given questions to check your understanding and comment down your answers below in the comment box? There are basically three questions. You can note down the questions in the notebook. The first question is, which domain do humans belong to? The second question is, E. coli is part of which domain? And the third question, any one feature of archaea, bacteria, and eukarya. If you like my videos, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel, that is Genomics Genesis, and do not forget to share it with your friends and classmates. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.